Here at D&W Engineering, we've been going for approximately 19 years now. We're just a small family business. My son, my wife, myself, and Les. Most of our work is based around farming, general engineering, just basic, simple stuff, let alone it be fixing up cow sheds, yards, a lot of in-shed feed systems, which virtually goes around the whole of Taranaki, right around the mountain. We go as far as Whanganui, we've been as far as Auckland to do jobs up there. So we cover wherever we need to go. We definitely recommend the 913 cutting discs. The 913 is probably the best disc that we've got in the shop, to be honest. We've used others, as you do. We find that these last twice as long as anything else that we've ever used on the market. We use them for stainless, we use them for mild steel, we use them for galv pipe, we use them for everything in the shop. They work really, really good. If I bring anything else into the shop, they'll virtually throw it back at me. This here is the best disc we've actually used in a long, long time. We also use the 909, which we find really, really good for the big drop saws. We use a lot of drop saw cutting in the workshop and out on site. We use the 909 a lot. We also use, just for the basic grinding, the 937. We use a lot of these. The boys have got them in their trucks. We've got 2 vehicles set up with cutting discs, grinding discs, and flapper discs. So this is what we stock in our vehicles for out on site. Also the 101s, we find these quick and easy. They make a great job, and yeah, the boys love them. Ordering through Euromarc is quick and easy. You just jump online, order what we need, talk to the boys, they tell me what I need, extra stuff, we punch it in, hit the send button, and then a day later it turns up at the door. Can't go wrong.